Hey, this is Joe with H4H here. We're in Fairfield doing a project. It's a water damage restoration. We had a customer out here. They were quoted by a couple different contractors, $70,000, $90,000. They wanted to redo the whole entire kitchen. We were able to come in here, take a look at the water damage. We were able to pull off the faces of these cabinets, put some jacks underneath this countertop, save the countertops. What happened here was a leak probably for a couple years where there was a PEX connection in the wall that was just slowly leaking. We had to do some mold remediation back here. Mold ended up being back here behind the backsplash, so we had to demo that. They actually got a new backsplash. Down here, we were able to replace all the cabinet boxes, reuse the cabinet faces. There was actually some water damage that was coming out to here on the flooring. The flooring being about 11 years old, we weren't able to find something that matched. So we ended up replacing the floor throughout the entire house, new baseboard for a fraction of the cost. So these customers, they're able to save a lot of money. Insurance wasn't able to cover this one. So if you got water restoration, water damage, or anything like that, kitchen, bathroom, give us a call, H4H Remodeling and Repairs. That was pretty